Have you ever started a fitness journey bursting with motivation, only to find yourself struggling to stay on track just a few weeks later? Why do our best intentions often seem to fade away, leaving us stuck in a cycle of starts and stops? Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into health and fitness, providing you with the tools, tips, and insights to transform your life. Today, we're tackling a challenge that many of us face, building a fitness routine that's not just effective but sustainable. A routine that fits seamlessly into our busy lives, adapts to our changing needs, and holds our interest over the long haul. A routine that fits seamlessly into our busy lives, adapts to our changing needs, and holds our interest over the long haul. A routine that fits seamlessly into our busy lives, adapts to our changing needs, and holds our interest over the long haul. A routine that fits seamlessly into our busy lives, adapts to our changing needs, and holds our interest over the long haul. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast who's hit a plateau or a beginner wondering where to start, this video is your blueprint for creating a fitness regime that sticks. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast who's hit a plateau or a beginner wondering where to start, this video is your blueprint for creating a fitness regime that sticks. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast who's hit a plateau or a beginner wondering where to start, this video is your blueprint for creating a fitness regime that sticks. So let's embark on this journey together, transforming the way we view and approach our fitness goals and ultimately how we achieve them. Let's dive into why sustainability matters in your fitness journey. We've all heard stories or experienced firsthand the initial rush of diving into a new fitness routine, only to be met with the harsh reality of burnout or worse, injuries. These are common pitfalls of non-sustainable routines. When we push our bodies too hard, too fast, or stick to regimes that don't align with our lifestyles, we set ourselves up for failure. The result? A cycle of enthusiasm followed by disappointment and a collection of gym memberships or fitness equipment gathering dust. But imagine a different path, one where fitness seamlessly integrates into your life, becomes a source of joy, and contributes to your long-term health. The benefits of a sustainable fitness routine extend far beyond the immediate gratification of hitting a new personal best. We're talking about long-term health improvements, consistent progress, and finding genuine enjoyment in the activities you choose. This isn't just about looking good for summer, it's about building a foundation of health and fitness that supports you for a lifetime. So, what's the science behind sustainable fitness habits? Research shows that habits formed through gradual, consistent actions are far more likely to stick. It's about creating a routine that fits your current fitness level, interests, and schedule, one that can adapt as you grow and change. Sustainable fitness isn't a one-size-fits-all approach. It's personalized, flexible, and forgiving. It acknowledges that life happens, and sometimes you'll need to adjust your expectations and goals. The key is consistency, not perfection. By focusing on sustainable habits, you're not just working out, you're building a lifestyle. Ever wonder where you stand on your fitness journey? It's a question that might seem daunting, but understanding your current fitness level is the first step towards crafting a personalized and effective workout routine. Start by getting a general health checkup from a healthcare professional. Then, conduct simple fitness tests to assess your endurance, strength, flexibility, and body composition. This could be as simple as timing a mile run or seeing how many push-ups you can do in a minute. Remember, it's not about comparing yourself to others, but understanding your unique starting point. Once you've established your baseline, it's time to set your fitness goals. Are you looking to build strength, increase endurance, or perhaps improve flexibility? Your goals should be specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. Or SMART. More importantly, they should align with what you enjoy. If the great outdoors calls to you, consider setting goals around hiking or cycling. If you thrive in a group setting, perhaps a fitness class is the way forward. Now, with your current fitness level and goals in mind, how do you build a sustainable fitness routine? It boils down to 3 key components: variety, progression, and rest. Variety keeps your workouts interesting and helps prevent overuse injuries. Try mixing strength training with cardiovascular exercises, flexibility work, and even mental health practices like yoga or Pilates. Progression is all about challenging your body as it adapts to your routine. Increase the weight you lift, incorporate more complex exercises, or extend your distances. But remember, progression should be gradual. Pushing too hard, too quickly can lead to injuries or burnout. Lastly, don't forget about rest and recovery. Rest days allow your muscles to repair and grow stronger, and they help prevent burnout and injuries. Consider incorporating active recovery days with low-intensity exercise like walking or gentle yoga. In a nutshell, assessing your fitness level and setting realistic goals are the first steps towards a successful fitness journey. Build a sustainable routine by incorporating variety, progression, and rest. Remember, your fitness journey is unique to you. Embrace it, enjoy it, and most importantly, stay committed to it. Let's dive right into how to form your routine. Begin by drafting a weekly plan. Allot specific days for diverse workouts. This could contain a blend of strength training, cardio, flexibility exercises, and rest. For example, your week might appear like this. Monday is reserved for strength training, emphasizing on the lower body. Tuesday, you could participate in a cardio session. This might involve brisk walking, running, or cycling. Wednesday is an active recovery day with light yoga or a long walk. Thursday is another strength training day, this time targeting the upper body. Friday is another cardio session, possibly a high-intensity interval training workout for variety. Saturday you could concentrate on flexibility work or partake in a fun activity like dancing or a team sport. Lastly, Sunday is a full rest day to let your body rejuvenate and repair. Remember, this is just a guiding plan. The charm of developing your own routine is that you can tweak it to suit your life and preferences. Maybe you'd like to commence your week with yoga, or perhaps swimming is your cardio of choice. The objective is to find a balance that keeps you engaged and allows your body to recuperate. Keeping the motivation high on your fitness journey is crucial. One effective strategy is to track your progress. Seeing improvements, no matter how small, provides tangible evidence of your hard work. Engaging with a community, whether online or in person, offers support, accountability, and the chance to share successes and challenges. Setting micro goals keeps your journey fresh and gives you regular achievements to celebrate. These small victories build momentum, making the larger goals seem more attainable. Obstacles are inevitable in any fitness journey. Lack of time, dwindling motivation, and hitting plateaus can feel like formidable barriers. Yet with every challenge comes a solution. Shortening your workouts or integrating fitness into daily activities, like cycling to work or doing bodyweight exercises during lunch breaks, can make a big difference. If motivation wanes, reconnect with your why, switch up your routine for freshness, or find a workout buddy for that extra push. When faced with plateaus, reevaluate your goals and workout plan. It might be time to increase the intensity, try new exercises, or adjust your nutrition. Remember, the key is consistency, adaptability, and finding joy in the journey.